Welcome friends. By looking at the thumbnail, you know what kind of a review for what product we are going to do the review. The more viral videos nowadays. So I was damn excited to buy one and do a personal review on this. So you know from where I have purchased. It's from Amazon, of course. And this is not a paid or a promotional video for any online store or any product or any brand. This is just a very personal review that I am going to do. And also I have some vegetables here to cut and show you how it really works. Quickly, let's open this product. Yes, this is electrical handheld cooking hammer. This is what it is called, but a mini chopper, which is being used with a USB electric charger. So let's go and quickly see what it is. This is the instruction of the product, and we have this tiny things inside. So once we take out everything, let's check how to fit in all these things. It's a very simple packing, but I got the piece without any damage. So I was very excited about this product. Basically, I love a lot of cutters and things. So I was very tempted to buy this, even though I have a lot of cutters. Then I thought, yes, I should do a review because this is the first time that I'm going to use a cutter with a USB. So let's go and check out how it works. And there is some blade here. And no idea what it is for, but I'm going to figure it out shortly. Yes, this is the C-pin charger they have given. But this is kind of very small. I'll measure and tell you how much it is. And this is kind of very good. You can charge through your laptop, or you can charge it in your car, or like any other mobile, whatever we charge. It's like that. But the disadvantage is it's too small. So let me try how it works, and I will charge this and get back to you. I finished charging this. In the instruction book, it is given that once you charge, there will be a red light when you put it for charging. Then after some time, it will turn into blue. But I waited for 2 hours and it did not change. It was still red. So I thought I should just try it now, cutting. And this charger is actually very small for your kitchen. It's okay if you're charging it through a laptop, or if you're charging it in your car, or if you want to use it in the kitchen, then I think you should use a long C-pin charger for this. Okay, now let's go and chop the vegetables. This container, this is for chopping, and this container is for slicing. Okay, now when you put this blade, if you put it like this, it goes like this. So just try and put it straight. It's slightly tricky, otherwise, yes, like that, just straight. Okay, so now let's chop a piece of onion. So I'm just putting a small piece, and there is a lock here, and we have a lock here also. So we will just put it in that and lock it up. Okay, now let's see how it's chopping. This is how it's chopped. Since it's a very small quantity, might be it's leaving some chunks. So let me try another piece in this. It's done its job very well. Such a small onion, like, you know, so I mean a small quantity of onion is generally very difficult to do in your food processor. So this has done a great job. It looks very handy, and especially when you're making your omelets or salads, I think this is doing a great job. Now what I'm going to do is I'm also going to remove this and try the slicer. So let's try the slicer. Now we are going to use the slicer. So what we will do is we will just lock this first. We'll lock it first, and just let me try these beans into it. The button is not working well after chopping the onion. You have to really press it hard, and it's not working well. So let me open and see. See, this just got chopped a little bit. Yeah, it got chopped a little bit, but then the rest was not chopped because the button is not working well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it again for charging and try it out. So after it stopped, what I did, I put it for charging. So I charged it for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours, the red light turned to blue. Okay. So first 2 hours I charged. After cutting the onion, it stopped. So again I put it for charging. Then after 2 hours, the light changed into blue. So the problem here is, like, I just tried cutting some beans off screen, and the button is not working very well in certain angles. Like, see, when I press like this, it doesn't work. When I have to press it in certain angle, then it is working. It's not like, see, it's not working now. You can see, now it's working. Now it's working. So it's working in certain angles. So I'm not happy about this button, which is the main function for your cutter to run, is not at all good. And I am slowly getting very disappointed with this cutter. So let me give a last try of chopping some chilies. So now let me just try this red chili. The button is not working again in all the angles. I'm just pressing in front of you. It's not working at all. Now it's not even cut a little bit. Let me try the beans again. Yeah, it's completely stopped working. So according to me, this even though it was pocket friendly and it was just $4.99, the product is not working. I can't even tell it's one use. I just chopped only this much onion and this much of beans, and the product is a failure. So according to me, a big no for this product. My final review on this product is a big no. Because you have seen the charger. First of all, the wire is very short, which is absolutely a big no. And I thought it would be very handy for a very small portion of cutting or for traveling purpose. After I barely used it for a few minutes and it stopped working. So I'm not happy with this product, and from my side I would suggest not to go for this product or buy this product. And if you like my videos, friends, please give it a like, share it with your family and friends. And if you're new to my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.